Hello dear traders and partners of AMarkets. My name is Daria, I'm the financial advisor, and today we're going to discuss the situation in the global financial markets. So let's get started. Positive sentiment finally came into the market after months of concerns and anxiety about the coronavirus pandemic. If last week traders were encouraged by successful COVID-19 vaccine trials, now all eyes on the EU summit where the regional economies' fate is being decided. The EU leaders were supposed to have a two-day meeting on Saturday and Sunday, but they couldn't come to a consensus within the allotted time, so they decided to extend the meeting. There is very little news at the moment. We only know that the European Union governments reached an agreement on the Regions Recovery Fund and approved the EU budget for the next 7 years. EU leaders understood that the funding issue to support economic recovery had to be addressed right there and then. They decided to get right to it, and the meeting was extended to resolve all the issues at once. On the other hand, the euro is getting support from the weak dollar. Investors have been turning a blind eye to the situation with COVID-19 in the United States over the past few weeks. However, the continuing growth in reported coronavirus cases has brought markets back to reality. In this situation, many US states began to reimpose restrictions and social distancing measures. The economic consequences are inevitable. A protracted US pandemic will only increase uncertainty about the US economic outlook. Let's take a look at the technical picture. The Euro-USD pair is now demonstrating the uptrend. The price was stuck in the 1.1430 to 1.1460 area and is now in anticipation of new growth drivers. If the euro gets more support, the pair will have all chances to climb up to 1.15 resistance further. And now let's talk about an unexpected situation in a quiet haven. Silver became one of the growth leaders among commodity assets and currencies by the end of Monday's trading session. The metal is taking advantage of the current weakness of the US dollar, general macroeconomic uncertainty, as well as negative interest rates, excess liquidity, and money supply. Escalating tensions between the US and China is also a favorable setup for silver. So, the metal rose in price by more than 2% yesterday. Today, it continued to grow, reaching 2020.30 area, its highest since September 2016. The asset has just overcame the resistance at 21 a few hours ago and has a good chance to update historical highs. So for now, this is the main trading ideas for the upcoming trading session. Thank you for your attention, subscribe to our channel, and we will do our best for you to reach success trading with AMarkets.